Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you these Christmas muffin cupcake things. I don't know what you would classify these as, but they are very delicious and have a very fresh taste, so they are a great addition to your Christmas sweets table. You want to start out by cutting down your white chocolate into small bits. And then you want to set that to the side. Now in a bowl you want to take your butter, sugar, some gingerbread spice, and a little bit of lemon juice or lemon flavor. And then you want to mix until it is nice and creamy. Then you want to gradually add the eggs. Next up, you want to add your flour and the baking soda and mix that in very well. And last but not least, you want to add in the chocolate bits and you want to fold them in. Now you want to prepare your baking tin. So I filled up these little trays. And then you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes and let them cool down completely. Now you want to drain your clementines, and then you want to heat up some syrup. This is a very thick syrup, and you want to use that as a glue on top, and then put these little clementine bits on the muffins as well. And as I said, this gives them a very fresh taste, and also with the lemon flavor, they're just really fresh and sweet, and yeah, just a very nice addition to all the more traditional treats. So I was really surprised how much I liked these, and I hope you give them a try. Bye!